What is the fire and ice duality in Iceland's volcanoes? Imagine standing on a land where fire and ice exist side by side, shaping the very ground beneath your feet. That's what makes Iceland so extraordinary. Here, volcanic eruptions often happen right beneath massive glaciers, creating a striking contrast. The phrase fire and ice describes this duality perfectly. Iceland sits on a volcanic hotspot combined with the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are pulling apart. This causes magma from deep inside the Earth to rise to the surface frequently. Sometimes, this magma erupts beneath glaciers that can be up to 1,000 meters thick, like the Vatnajökull ice cap. When hot lava meets cold ice, it causes rapid melting. This melting produces large amounts of meltwater that can lead to sudden floods called Jokulhlaups. These floods can reshape the landscape and even threaten nearby communities. The interaction between fire and ice also creates explosive volcanic eruptions. When magma contacts ice, it causes steam explosions that send ash high into the sky. This ash can spread over large areas, affecting air travel and local agriculture. The weight of glaciers on volcanoes can actually suppress eruptions by pressing down on magma chambers. But as climate change causes glaciers to melt and retreat, this pressure lessens. That makes it easier for magma to break through the crust and erupt. This has led to an increase in volcanic activity in recent years. Some glaciers in Iceland, called surge-type glaciers, can suddenly advance rapidly because of volcanic heat beneath them. This dynamic process is still being studied by scientists. From a broader perspective, Iceland's fire and ice duality shows how natural forces shape the environment in dramatic ways. It also highlights the close connection between volcanic activity and climate change. The geothermal energy generated by these volcanoes is harnessed by Icelanders to provide heating and electricity. This natural duality is a living example of how Earth's internal heat and surface ice interact constantly. So, the next time you think of Iceland, remember that its landscape is a vivid display of fire and ice working together, creating some of the most unique geological wonders on Earth.